God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl M and I'm back with another video. So guys, as you guys have already seen, I just did my bed. So today is a Saturday. I low-key have things to do, like cleaning, assignments to work on, studying to do. That's the plan for today specifically. Guys, I haven't done my nails in so long. I think it's been a month now. It's 11:27 right now and I technically just got out of bed. Look at how I look right now, so that's not very cutesy. Another thing I have to do today is do my hair. I bought, let me show you guys, a crochet to do my hair. Another thing I got, I finally got a new perfume. Okay, so oh my gosh, these chickens. Yeah, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing well. So if you're new and you're enjoying my vibe, please do like me, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clips. Oh, I also have to clean, not really clean, but like tidy up, like as you guys can see over here. Oh, it's very not cutesy in it. So yeah, bye guys.
Things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with you.
This is what they say, pull it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act.
Hey guys, I've figured it out. The main reason I don't vlog at home anymore is because I always look like this, and like I don't have the tsatsa to like fix myself up if I'm vlogging or whatsoever, especially if I'm not doing anything. So I'm about to eat right now. I'm having spaghetti and what is this, tin fish. Guys, this is my second time cooking spaghetti in my whole life, and it was a flop once again. Like, I don't know what it is I'm doing wrong, bro. Guys, so I'm just gonna continue eating now. I'm thinking of doing like a TikTok mukbang. I haven't done that in such a long time, yo.
I begin to
So separated my clean clothes with the dirty clothes. Anyways, so I'm just gonna fold up my clean clothes. I can put them away, and then yeah, Let's do that. Guys, this is a library, right? But like,
Are you sure this is
it is. If it's not, oh my gosh, why are there so many
We're
like?
still going on.
I guess we can. Let's just sit here, bro. Cause I need to work.
I see one more floor up.
Oh, there's. Oh my gosh, there's more floors.
This is cringe.
There is more floors, guys. This is insane. Suonekana nokubonakala. I think this is also one day we should go to the other one. Oh, but I want to play basketball. Hey guys, I'm at the library. I'm with Kat. Kat,
What's
say
up, what's up, what's
hi.
up?
You guys know Kat from my other vlog.
Yes.
Yes.
Please send me the video.
I sent you.
No, I know you did, but it's like it's stuck on that other phone.
Oh, okay. So guys, we're at the library being focused kids. We're working.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
We're trying to be focused. We're trying to be focused. So yeah, let's get to work. Bye. Say bye.
You know what happened? These her and her sister.
Oh, I pranked him
Her and
yesterday.
her
Me and my
sister.
sister.
And I'm like, no, man, I know this voice.
Sorry, cats. Sorry, cats. Guys, comment down. Sorry, cats.
We've been done long before it all begun. Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we want, can't keep it up.
I want to make TikToks, but the light is so ugly. Like, it needs to be like up here. But it looks so pretty here,
And secrets, both gotta keep it honest, that's just a game, you know. People can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth.
Hey y'all, I'm currently eating my dinner from yesterday. I thought I was gonna have it for lunch, but really, for breakfast, that's pap, mashed potato, chakalaka, and stew. So I'm gonna chill there. Okay, okay.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Crying out, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. You wait for me.
How do you feel? Did you study enough? Did you write enough?
What are these? Oh, you stuff.
Ooh.
What are these? Oh, you stuff.
I feel so productive. I finished my math assignment. And I finished my SCI assignment. Like, oh my god, I'm on that grind. So I'm gonna walk back to school today, and we're not running today. Finally, like with Kat, bro. Kat is always making us late.
Me.
I'm joking. Me and Kat are always late. So yeah, today we're on time. So we're gonna take our time and walk back to school, and then. Oh, okay. So we're actually gonna hurry up, and then I'll catch you guys there. Hi guys, so I don't know, I literally just untied my hair right now, and I should have untied it after filming this video. So I just want to give you guys a little update of what's been going on, because this is like a productive vlog. I'm only showing like parts of me being productive, because this week I pretty much am productive. It doesn't make sense. But yeah, I still didn't clean my nightstand. As you guys can see, it's very dirty. But oh my word, excuse me, I've been doing a lot of like editing, assignments, studying, you know what I'm saying. I've been going to the library since Monday. Tomorrow's Thursday, and I'm going to the library literally the whole week, actually for the rest of my life, period. So that's what so I basically met 2 people today at the library. I made new friends. Like, what? That is so crazy. That is so exciting. Like, yeah. But yeah, guys, that's all I have to say. I'll do a better job with vlogging. I do a lot of things with my phone, so that's why I don't vlog as much. Or like submitting, I have to submit with my phone. I have to research with my phone. Yeah, guys, so I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Living in this world, people's expectations, people's standards. It's not easy. I wake up every day, put on a fake smile. You don't really know what I feel inside. You don't ask, you assume I'm right.
Hey y'all, so I wanna open this. I think it's a book. My teacher, lecturer, whatever you guys wanna call, got me this. I'm thinking it's a book because of something we were talking about. I said I'm interested in investing and all of that, so I think got me a book, y'all. Like, it's even covered in I wanna take. Okay, yeah, I wanna unbox it. It's even pink. So cute. So yeah. Let me take a picture. Okay, let me open it, y'all. I really do believe it's a book. Like, I don't think. Yep, it's a book. Damn. This is actually huge. I'm not a huge reader, guys. Yeah, mom. Interesting. Rich Dad, Poor Dad with updates for today's world. And 9 study sessions. What the rich teach their kids about money that the poor middle class do not. This seems very interesting. Can't wait to read this. I have a book, y'all. This is so exciting. Hey guys, I'm at the library again. Food again. Right to Mpo, we got food again. Cheers.